Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down and find accounts and backup. Now let's localize this section Google Drive and tap on backup data. So we will have to sign in, so add the Google account to the device. Of course, if you've got it added, then you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to do it right now. So let's tap on next and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data and confirm everything with your screen lock. Now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. No. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can read it and then tap on Agree. Right here you can decide what kind of data you want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data. Of course you can choose both. I'll choose only this option and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got the backup section, so we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, you have to tap on backup now, and from now on, your device will back up the data. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.